Most people don't rely on caffeine because they love it. They rely on it because they feel tired all the time. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Caffeine doesn't create energy. It borrows it from your nervous system. And eventually, the debt comes due. So let's talk about habits that work deeper than caffeine. Not louder, not faster, just more real. The first habit is light exposure. Not screen light, real light. Within the first 30 minutes of waking up, natural daylight tells your brain, it's safe to be awake now. This resets your circadian rhythm, raises cortisol naturally, and improves focus without anxiety. No crash, no jitters, just clarity. The second habit is slow movement. Not intense workouts, not pushing. Just 5 to 10 minutes of gentle movement. Stretching, walking, letting your body wake up before your thoughts do. This increases blood flow to the brain without overwhelming your nervous system. Energy that feels calm, not forced. The third habit is controlled breathing. Most tiredness isn't physical. It's oxygen deprivation caused by shallow breathing. Try this. Inhale slowly through your nose. Exhale longer than you inhale. Do this for 2 minutes. You're not stimulating the body, you're calming it. And paradoxically, calm creates energy. The fourth habit is mental input fasting. Before checking your phone, your brain needs silence. Even 5 minutes without stimulation prevents decision fatigue before the day begins. Your focus stays intact. Your energy stays yours. Here's what caffeine never tells you. Real energy doesn't feel intense. It feels stable. It feels like presence, like clarity, like you're finally in your body again. You don't need more stimulation. You need better regulation. If this resonated with you, take one habit, just one, and notice how different your day feels. Subscribe if you want more psychology that respects your nervous system and your silence.